Hello friends, Ravikant once again welcomes you back to your YouTube channel Dream Education, an educational platform which is meant for redefining the conceptual learning without any editing mixing. It's my belief that an educational video do not need the promo of visual illusion created by editing or mixing. Just the content is sufficient enough to give promo to such type of educational platform. And with this thought, I am proceeding forward for my today's topic, that is the passive conversion of imperatives. So friends, आज की क्लास में हम सीखेंगे कि how to convert the imperative sentences into its passive voice. And before going for that, we must have an idea of what is imperative sentence. जब तक हम ये नहीं जान पाएंगे कि imperative sentence किसे कहते हैं, if we are unable to identify the imperative sentence, how could we apply the formula for its conversion? So the first thing is that we must come to know about imperative sentences. So imperative sentences are those sentences which are used to express order, command, request, advice, suggestions, moral duties. Means imperative sentences वैसे sentences को बोलते हैं जिनसे हम किसी को ऑर्डर देते हैं या कमांड देते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट करते हों या तो फिर एडवाइस देते हैं, सजेशंस देते हैं या मोरल ड्यूटीज की याद दिलवाते हों, वैसे सेंटेंसेस इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस कहलाते हैं. मींस द सेंटेंसेस which expresses a request, command, order, suggestion, advice, etc. are said to be imperative sentences. For example, close the door. This is a type of order we are giving to someone. And next, please give me a glass of water. The word please itself is revealing that it is the case of a request. Respect your teachers. This is advice also and a form of moral duty also. It becomes our moral duty to respect our teachers. And the best way to identify such type of sentences is that they always begin with verb. You can see they always begin with verb. For example, close the door, give me a glass of water, respect your teachers. These all three words are verb. So the structure of imperative sentences are V1 plus object. तो इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस को पहचानने का तरीका भी हमने जान लिया कि उनको पहचानने का तरीका ये होता है कि ये सेंटेंसेस हमेशा वर्ब के साथ स्टार्ट होते हैं. नाउ वी विल डील with each of these three, basically these three one by one. So let's begin with how to convert the sentences which express order and command to its passive voice. Commands and orders means the sentences which are expressing commands and orders. How to convert them into their passive? Just remember this formula for their conversion into passive. Let plus object of active sentence plus be plus v3. This is the formula for conversion of active voice into passive voice. Let us see the example. It will be more clear to you. Close the door. This is order. How to convert it into its passive? Let object the door be closed. Switch on the fan. Let the fan be switched on. Do not touch the live wire. Let the live wire not be touched. Not because it is the case of negative. So the only thing which we have to do, just follow this formula. Let, then add the object of active sentence, add be and the past participle form of verb. Let plus object of active sentence plus be plus V3. This is enough to convert the active sentence into its passive. Let's move towards the next, that is request. In case of the sentences which are expressing request, we have to follow you are requested to plus active sentence. मतलब हमें you are requested to लिखना है पैसिव कन्वर्सन के लिए और एक्टिव सेंटेंस को कॉपी कर देना है. बट कॉपी करने के पहले एक स्टार पॉइंट हमें अपने माइंड में सेट करना है कि वी हैव टू ड्रॉप द वर्ड्स विच आर इंडिकेटिंग रिक्वेस्ट सच एज प्लीज एंड काइंडली फ्रॉम दैट एक्टिव सेंटेंस. एक्टिव सेंटेंस में यूज होने वाले प्लीज एंड काइंडली वर्ड्स को ड्रॉप कर देना है while converting it into its passive. Just see the example. Please give me a glass of water. What we have to do according to the formula? What we have to do? We have to start with you are requested to and then copy the active sentence after removal of please and kindly. So let us see. Please give me a glass of water. You are requested to give me a glass of water. We have dropped this word please. Now is it clear? You are requested to give me a glass of water. Kindly help him. You are requested to help him. Just drop the word kindly. Please do not disturb me. You are requested not to disturb me, since it's the case of negative. So clear? Should we move forward? The next is the case of advice or moral duties. In this case, just apply this formula and you will get the passive. That is the object of active sentence, then should, we, and past participle form of verb, that is V3. See, respect your elders. It is an advice or it becomes our moral duties also. So what we have to do? First object is your elders, then should be respected. Respect your elders, the passive will be your elders should be respected. Help the blind should be helped. Don't insult the poor should not be insulted, since it is the case of negative. So is it clear? Now we are having one or two special cases also in this category, in the category of imperative sentences. Let us see what are those. Imperative with intransitive verbs means intransitive verbs are those verbs which do not pass over the action from doer to receiver, and we had learned in our earlier, in the first lesson itself, in my first video itself, that passive conversion of intransitive verbs are not possible. But if it is the case of imperatives, it is possible. See how it could be converted into its passive voice. First, we have to decide that whether the given expression reveals order or advice. If it is the case of order, just start the passive conversion with you are ordered to. And if it is the case of advice, start the conversion with you are advised to, and then just copy down that intransitive verb, that is the active sentence. Let us see the example. It will be clear to you. There will be no doubt, absolutely. Go there. Go there. It's revealing order. So you are ordered to. You are ordered to go there. Work hard. Of course, we can only suggest someone to work hard. We cannot force someone to work hard. So you are advised to work hard. You are advised to work hard. First, just go through the intransitive verb. Try to identify whether it is expressing order or advice. If you are thinking it is for order, start the passive conversion with you are ordered to and then copy that intransitive verb. You are ordered to go there. You are advised to work hard. You are ordered to stand up. Is it clear now? Next is the case of, you will get some types of imperative sentences which itself is starting with let. Imperatives starting with let. In this case, just apply this formula and you will get the answer. That is, let plus object of active sentence plus be plus v3 plus by plus subject, but that subject should be in the objective case only. Generally हम passive conversion में क्या करते हैं, he gets converted to him and him gets converted to he, but यहाँ हम क्या करेंगे, अगर him है तो उसको objective case मतलब him में ही छोड़ देंगे, him को हम he में convert नहीं करेंगे. ये रहा फंडा इसका objective case का. So let us see with example, it will be clear. Let him write a letter. Let a letter be written by him. Him को हम he में convert नहीं करेंगे. बस ये एक स्टार पॉइंट अपने माइंड में सेट करना है इस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस के लिए and you will get the answer, and it is very much easy. The practice makes man perfect. If you will practice some 10 to 15 questions of such type, you will get the permanent solution. Let me teach him. Let him be taught by me. सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही चीज ध्यान रखना है इस टाइप के सेंटेंस में कि हमें केस में, प्रोनाउंस के केस में चेंजेस नहीं लाना है. ऑब्जेक्टिव को नॉमिनेटिव और नॉमिनेटिव को ऑब्जेक्टिव में कन्वर्ट नहीं करना. लेट हर डू इट. लेट इट बी डन बाय हर. सो द remarkable point is what we have to do. Let plus object plus be plus v3 plus by plus subject in the objective case. So friends, I hope now the cases pertaining to imperative sentences are clear to you. Now it is very much easy for you to convert the imperative sentences into its passive form. And really, if this video stands useful for you, just keep your thumbs up. Kindly like the video, share it to your friends so that they can also achieve this knowledge. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it so that you can get more and more related videos on this channel. Thank you.